Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mona and you're watching my YouTube channel Mona's Beauty Review. So today I am going to talk about new body wash brands that I have tried recently and I am loving each and every product that I'm going to show today. I'm going to show 5 brands. Just before showing the products, I would like to mention that I switched from soap to body wash about 2015. That is almost 10 years back, and the moment I started using body washes, I never went back to soap. I have tried so many different kind of soaps, but soap dries out our skin so much. I have tried soap from different brands. I've even tried homemade soaps, but it never suited me. And the moment I started using body washes, I fell in love, and I have tried so many different brands of body washes ever since. So there are so many good body wash brands in the market, and I have a lot of favorites. But if you're somebody who have not yet started using body wash, please do it. You will definitely save your skin. So let's get started. So first brand that I am going to today talk about is Dove. So I have two big bottles that I am using right now. This one is actually over, and I loved every drop of this body wash. So Dove is may not be a new brand to you, but when it comes to body washes, this is definitely a new brand because I haven't tried anything from Dove in the body wash range earlier. So I tried them, I bought them during the Nykaa sale, and I got 50% off on each of these. So this one cost I think about 800 rupees. Let me just check the price. This is okay. So this is 500 rupees for 800 ml of the product. So this is a very cheap, affordable product, I would say, because you're getting 800 ml for 500 rupees, and that too I got, I think, 50% off on this. So I got each of this one for 250 rupees, and I grabbed them during the offer. And these are excellent body washes. Your entire family can use it, and there's so much of quantity in this. You will take a lot of months to finish this. I think you will easily need 3 months to finish this if you are if your family is using, the entire family is using. If you are the only one who is using, you will finish this in for about 4 or 5 months, I would say. So there are multiple variants in this one. Is lemon scent and vitamin C, and the other one is dryness care body wash, 24 hours moisturized skin with jojoba oil. I will link the link for these products in the description box. You can go and check out the different variants available. This lathers very well. It has got a very pleasant fragrance, or both of these variants has got very pleasant fragrance, which is not going to bother anybody's nose, and lathers well, washes off well. It kind of doesn't leave your skin dry. So when I look for a body wash, I look for 3 things. That number 1, it should not dry my skin out. Number 2, it should have a good energetic fragrance, and number 3, it should lather well. Okay, now many organic products doesn't lather well, so you have to have your own preferences, which one you like. I like my body wash to lather well. So this one is also sulfate free, which is very important. Sulfate is not good for our skin. So this is all about Dove. If you're looking for a family body wash, family in the sense means if you want something which is in the bigger size and affordable, then you can go ahead for the Dove ones. The next brand that I tried out is the brand called as Love Beauty and Planet. So I was thinking of buying something from this brand, and then I saw this body wash and I grabbed it, and I've also used it quite a lot. I am here this much, I'm halfway, and this particular one is in the variant coffee and warm vanilla. So there are multiple variants. I like this. I chose this one because I like coffee variant. I like coffee smell very much. Now the good thing about this brand Love Beauty and Planet is that their bottles are 100% recyclable, so it will not hurt our planet Earth when we dump the bottles. And the fragrance of these products, the vanilla fragrance that you will get from this body wash is from essential oil, it is not from a chemical fragrance, so in that way it will not hurt your skin as well. This also lathers very well and does not leave my skin dry, and you need a very little quantity actually to bathe yourself one time. Just 2 drops are enough, so this bottle will last you really long. This is 325 rupees for 200 ml, so compared to Dove, this is much more higher price, but the quality of the product is amazing, and this is PETA approved as well. And this variant in particular smells delicious. Okay, when you will bath yourself with this, you will feel like that you are sitting in a coffee place and a cafe. Actually, you're somebody who loves to go to cafes and love the vanilla, the coffee fragrance, you will die for this fragrance. It smells very good, very delicious. They have other variants as well, but I chose this one, and this one is also vegan. It is no paraben, no sulfate, and no dyes has been used on this. And as you can see that it has, like, it's not a white fluid, it's kind of a coffee, slight coffee color is coming from this fluid. So that's about the brand Love Beauty and Planet, and definitely once I finish this I will get more products from this brand. The third brand which I want to talk about today, this product is almost over, I just saved it for this particular video, and the brand is called as Find Your Happy Place, and this is a body wash from them, and the variant is Sunkissed Ocean Waves. This is 300 ml product, cost about 499 rupees, and I am almost over with it. I just kept some products so that I can show it in the video, otherwise I would have finished it. I love this particular scent, the particular variant, because it smells so aquatic, so energetic. Now I am a person who loves aquatic, fresh, clean fragrances, especially when I am taking shower in the morning, because when I get up I kind of feel sleepy, so I want my bathing, my morning routine products to kind of wake me up, and this particular fragrance wakes me up just like this. Your bathroom will start smelling so you can say beautiful and so energetic. This is a clean aqua fragrance. There's no other way to describe this variant in particular. Very energetic, and also if you have smelled, if you're aware of the fragrance of green tea, it kinds of smell little bit like green tea. So I love the smell of this. This one also lathers very well, does not leaves my skin dry, and you will not need a lot of products. These are kind of very concentrated products, so 2 drops goes well for one wash. Beautiful product. The speciality of this particular brand is that this is a soap free cleanser. It does not contain any soapy chemicals, but still it lathers well, and also it contains sea salt, it contains cocoa butter, shea butter, vitamin E, and no sulfate. So all of the products that I'm showing today doesn't contain sulfate, which is very harmful chemical for our skin. Next product that I'm showing today is my very favorite product, and I have finished so many bottles from this brand. That is the Nykaa Naturals. I love Nykaa Naturals products, be it their body butters, be it their body scrub, be it their body lotions, and this is the body washes. I have tried so many variants from them. So I think most of you have tried the Nykaa Natural body washes. These are really good quality body washes, and if you have tried anything from Nykaa Naturals, like each of these variant, they have similar fragrance body mist. They have the body butters, body washes, and also the body lotions. All of them will smell similar. So I have tried a lot of variants from this particular range, and these are very good quality body washes. Lathers well, doesn't make your skin dry, and but you'll need to pour little bit more amount of product compared to the previous 2 brands that I've shown, Dove and Nykaa. You need to pour about 3 to 4 pumps of the fluid to wash yourself very well. But the other 2 brands that I showed, Love Beauty Planet and My Happy Place, for those particular brands you need to pour only about 2 pumps to wash yourself well. So that's the only difference. Otherwise these are fantastic products. This one retails for, I think, how much is the price? $3.99 for 300 ml, but you'll always get this on discount. Buy during the sale from Nykaa. So that is my number 4 product. Coming to the last but not the least, so last brand for today's video is Plum Body Lovin'. I love this brand. I love so many products from Plum, and this particular product, that is a body wash from Plum, are amazing. I have so many variants right now. I am actually using this one. This is the Vanilla Vibes one. Also, I have other 2 variants in my stock. So all of these I bought during the sale. So this is Driving Me Cherry, and this one is Orchid one, the Orchid You Not. So all of this I restocked during the sale time. Even Plum is running through sales right now. So if you're looking for good body washes at good offer, you can buy this right now. So similar to Nykaa, Plum also have similar suppose this is the Vanilla Vibes range. So they have body wash, they have body mist, they have perfumes, EDPs, and also body lotions from the same range, which is going to smell exactly similar. So if you have tried the body mist or the EDPs of any of these variants, you will know how the body wash is going to smell. It is going to smell exactly the same. These are very good quality body washes, lathers well, doesn't make your skin dry, and also washes off very, very well. All these brands that I showed today are very good quality brands. This one is 240 ml and retails for 380 rupees. Now these brands have different pricing compared to the quality. Dove one that I showed today is the cheapest, and Nykaa, Plum, and the other 2 ranges are almost similar. Like 19-20 का फर्क है, इतना ही बोल सकती हूँ. You can see I have almost halfway of this bottle. Very good brand for everyday use. It is affordable. Get this during the discount. Plum will have different kind of offers going on, like buy one get one, or buy 3 at 1,000 rupees, like that. Very affordable, everyday kind of a brand. I love this, and definitely try this out if you're looking for a new body wash in your collection. These are all the new brands of body washes that I tried, and all of these are very, very good quality product. The only difference is that some are like little expensive, some are little less pricey compared to the other. So if you're looking for new body wash brands, or if you want to try some different brands of body washes which you haven't tried before, you can definitely try these brands. These are my current favorite body wash brands that I am trying right now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you guys think about the body washes that I showed today. And if you're wondering what lipstick I'm wearing, this is a different unique shade. I haven't worn anything like this before. So this is a product from Zudio. It's a Zudio liquid lipstick. I will definitely mention the product below. All the makeup products that I'm wearing today will be mentioned below, so go and check it out. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you soon. Bye.